Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to disconnect from Wi-Fi on Android. If your phone has been connected to Wi-Fi and now you want to disconnect it, so you just need to follow these steps. First, just scroll your status bar down and here you'll get the option of Wi-Fi. Just keep a long press on it or then tap on more settings, and here you can see that your device has been connected to which device. Now I want to disconnect, so just tap on settings, and here you have the option of disconnect or forget. If you want to disconnect your device, so just tap on disconnect, and now if you want to forget this device, so you just need to tap on it, and now you can see I have successfully disconnected my device from Wi-Fi. So that's how you can disconnect your phone from Wi-Fi. So you can do it by following these steps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.